What is control flow modifiers? Control flow modifier means it changes the line-by-line execution of a program. Control flow modifiers are break, continue statements. Let's discuss break statement. Break statement means it exits from a loop. Let's take an example. For space, I space, in space, range of 5, colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation. If space I is equal to 2 colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation. Break, press enter, print of I, press enter, press backspace in keyboard, print of within double quotes end. Let's run it. See, the output is 0, 1, end. Let's discuss step by step. First, for loop is executed. Next, it executed next lines of for loop. Next, it checks the if condition, that is 0 is equal to 2. No, condition is false. Here, I variable starting from 0 value because we did not mention start value in range function. Here, end value is 5. Because of condition is false, it did not executed break statement. Next, it executed print function, that is 0, which is printed in output. Next, I variable increases to 1. Next, it checks the if condition, that is 1 is equal to 2. No, the condition becomes false, so it did not executed break statement. Next, it executed print function, that is 1, which is printed in output. Next, I variable increases to 2. Next, it checks the if condition, that is 2 is equal to 2. Yes, the condition is true. So it executed break statement. That's why it exited from for loop. Next, it executed print function, that is end, which is printed in output. Let's discuss continue statement. Continue statement means it skips the rest of the code inside the current loop iteration and moves to the next iteration of the loop. Let's take an example. For space, I space, in space, range of 5, colon, print center, it automatically takes indentation if space I is equal to 1, colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation. Continue, press enter, print of I, press enter, press backspace in keyboard, print of within double quotes, end. Let's run it. See, the output is 0, 2, 3, 4, end. Let's discuss this step by step. It executed the for loop. Here, I variable stores the value 0 because we did not mention start value in range function. Next, it executes the next lines of inside for loop. Next, it checks if condition, that is 0 is equal to 1. No, the condition is false. So it did not executed continue statement. Next, it executed print function, that is 0, which is printed in output. Next, I variable stores the value 1. Next, it executes the next lines of inside for loop. Next, it checks the if condition, that is 1 is equal to 1. Yes, the condition is true. So it executed the continue statement. That means it skips the next lines of code after continue statement. That means print function is not executed. So 1 is not shown in the output. Next, it go to next iteration. Next, I variable stores the value 2. Next, it executes the next lines of inside for loop. Next, it checks the if condition, that is 2 is equal to 1. No, the condition is false. So it did not execute that continue statement. Next, it executed print function, that is 2, which is printed in output. It repeats the same procedure until 4 is printed in output. Here, 5 is not included because of range function having value 5 as top value. Next, it exited from for loop. Next, it executed print function, that is end. which is printed in output.